Hello everybody and welcome to the live streaming. So hope you guys are doing good, hope you are well. So let me check if there everything works fine and properly. So we are live everywhere. Hello. So it's been since very long I have made the last webinar. I was really didn't want to make it, but a couple of our honest trader and traders that are supporting me were begging me to make a webinar, so I decided to make this kind of the webinar. Otherwise I will not, because I decided that I usually making those webinars just for me, nobody is listening, no interaction and so on. So that was the reason why I stopped doing those webinars, and now I decided to do it again. Alright, I was really lazy and I don't like when people are not active and when people are not appreciating all the knowledge, and they're doing whatever after all. Alright, so let me check now if there's everything fine. If please analyze silver. Yes, I will analyze silver, of course. I'm planning to go to all those charts. I will watch silver, gold. But first what I would love to do is, first I will analyze the DXY, then I will show you what I will trade, what I will watch, and then of course I will switch to the crypto. Crypto is what we will discuss about, so if there are any crypto interest only, you can watch. The crypto will be at the end. Alright, first I would love to go with the Forex because that's my priority as well. I love Forex, that's my main focus after all. Okay, so we are live on YouTube as well, perfectly working. That's fine. All right. So this is it. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me whatever it bothers you, and this is your chance to ask me any question. Alright, so grab that chance. Okay, let's go. Let me just hit the record. Alright, so guys, did you trade anything? Huh?
What do you want here?
Yeah. First of all, I would love to know as well, do we have there more traders who are consistently profitable, still struggling, still learning? What is your, where are you currently with your trading? Let me know. I would love to know where we are currently with, what kind of traders am I talking right now? More beginners, struggling traders, traders that are only investing, only investors. Use the chat, let's see. Hello everyone on YouTube, on TradingView as well. Okay, so guys, just use the chat. Use the chat, let me know. So you guys can see the public chat, the general chat, right? Everyone can see it. Can somebody confirm that so that we know everything works properly? Oh, perfect. So we have a confirmation from the YouTube. Everything works properly. Meho, you're not the beginner. I know that. View and voice, everything clear. Perfect. Thank you very much for the confirmation on the YouTube. Meho, where did you find the beginners? I think all the professionals over there. What kind of beginners? Alright, so let's go. Let's start. Let's slowly start with the DXY, and then I will go and share with you what I'm expecting, what I will trade, what are my watch list trades, and of course use the chat during this time. Ask anything. Let me know if you are a beginner trader, you are professional trader, profitable, still struggling, consistently profitable. Let me know. Give me some information. So I would love to know more about you, so we can talk. Beginner, still learning. Okay, perfect. Really well. So are you learning? What did you learning? Are you learning by yourself? Okay, so let me know how you're. Okay, you're learning by yourself. Okay, I as well. I as well was learning by myself, but it really took me really long. It took me a couple of years because this learning by ourselves, it's kind of hard because it took too much, too long. And if I will go again with this business, then definitely I will not pick it by myself and again. And I would take a shortcut definitely, because what I did, I was learning by myself. What I did is I learned something, I found something, and then I tested, and then it works for a week. Then the second week didn't. Then I changed something. Then again, third week I was implementing something, changing something. Then testing again, didn't work, change it. And I was constantly doing something, changing, but I didn't know if it works and how it will work based on 1 month, 5 months. And I need statistic. I would love always to have a statistic. Will this work only 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months? How long it will work? Then this was my biggest struggle. So where I was mostly struggling, and I was constantly in the developing mode or backtesting mode, and didn't basically make any money in first few years because I was constantly learning, testing something new, learning, testing something new. It was some gap there, and it was emotionally hard as well. When I was losing, it was really hard to keep on going and keep finding the way to continue to motivate myself. It was really hard, and this way was really a headache. Sometimes I really ask myself, how the hell did I get there where I am currently? It was really hard way. Okay. Yeah, there was a question. We would appreciate if you suggest some good stuff to learn. There's no good and bad stuff to learn, and trading, it's all about the discipline. So what you will need, you always need an edge, you need discipline, you need the rules, and these rules is what I will be constantly repeating. But the question is, which rules are you sticking to? Do you even have rules? Are you even following a trading plan? What are you doing currently? Oh, that's always the first question that I'm asking everyone. So every beginner, I've been working with a lot of beginners. I've coached a lot of beginners from making zero or from drawdown all the way to becoming a full-time professional trader and making more money as they did on with their salary on 9-to-5 job. But what I was trying to say is you need really well-defined trading plan. You need all those rules which are stable, that are not constantly changing. Because what I have seen with mostly beginners and people who are struggling, they are constantly changing. They are changing their strategy, their rules. They couldn't stick to only one single rule. Okay, there was, for example, from Monday to Wednesday they are trading one type of strategy, and then from Wednesday to Friday they are again changing their strategy. And that's the biggest problem, that you're constantly changing something. Don't do that. You have to keep those rules long enough. Okay, so you will see the results. You need at least 50 trades. Okay, take at least 50 trades. Let's say it like that. Take 50 trades and see if it works out. If it doesn't work based on those rules, change a couple of them. Don't change all the rules, just some. Okay, and then see the results. And then again, 50 trades. Take trades, change something. Okay, but this is all if you are doing it by yourself. If you want to speed up and if you want to practice my rules, my edge, my strategy, you are free to join me. I will teach you everything from the beginning. We will make a private session. Okay, so you will not only get the video, the pre-recorded videos. That's not what you will get. You will get my personal support. I will call you. I will bothering you every day. I will send you a message. What did you do? How it's going? Are you progressing? Do you have any problems? Do you have any errors? Did you fix anything?
Yes, he do that.
I'm the best with bothering everyone. Do something. I will push you. Okay, I will push you forward because I see a couple of times that people are lazy and they need someone to push him. Okay, so I'm always the guy who is pushing people. Go, do it, move forward, do something. What did you do? Show me. Okay, you have to keep going, and this is what you get by joining our team. I think this is the most valuable thing. It's not all about the pre-recorded videos. This is the minimum what you will get. For me, this is the minimum value. The biggest value is personal support and personal push and personal touch. And of course, personal webinars. That's the biggest value of joining the team. You'll never ever have this kind of academy on the planet. But I don't know how long will I be doing this, because slowly I am sick of this business and I will slowly move out from being a coach. Probably I will be doing this for maybe a year, then I think I will stop by coaching traders. I think it's 5 years coaching people, and I will slowly end with this business. With coaching, of course. I will keep on trading. Me and my wife will be trading forever. Bang! They don't see you because you're out of this, out of the video. So she's there. She's sitting there.
I'm backtesting, so
yeah, she's worthy. You see, she's backtesting, doing her job. We are preparing every Sunday. We are preparing for the week ahead. We are doing training because we are watching trading as like, if you want to go for running, if you want to run, you need to run every day for at least 30 minutes or 45 minutes. It doesn't matter. You have to be doing it. Or if you are building muscle, you have to go in the fitness. You have to show up. So that's the same with the trading. If you want to be the profitable, consistently profitable, you have to show up on chart every day. It doesn't matter if it's a Sunday, if there are the holidays, it doesn't matter. You have to show up, you have to do your thing at least 30 minutes per day. You have to find the 30 minutes per day. Do it just for 30 minutes and you will see the results. You will see how your mindset will change, how your trading will change, and immediately you will be paid for all this hard work. Because it's not easy. So that's my wife as well.
But I love backtesting, and I love trading, so I hope you too love it.
Yeah, backtesting is something special.
Yeah, trading is a very cool business, so I like doing this. It's not boring and it's interesting, and I just wanted to say that. Yo guys, practice.
Yeah, practice is all you need in trading basically. So do you have any channel to get your lessons from? No, this is inside of the academy. You will get, once you will join our team, our academy, you will get all the lessons. It's on the website. You have to watch them, and once you will finish them, you have to personally let me know, and we'll jump on the webinar. We will see what you learned, how it's going, what is your understanding of the chart, what is your trading plan, did you understand all of the lessons properly, do you need any special explanation or something like that, and
no excuse.
Yeah, of course. If you forget on me, I will send you the private message. I will be the one who will remind you. Every morning I will send you the message. What are you doing? How is your trading going? And so on. Yeah, but this is how it must work. Okay, it's about discipline. It's discipline. I will remind you every morning. I will remind you that you have to do your job. I'm really happy to bother you.
I need to say, Christian hates lazy people and traders that don't like to trade.
Of course. I have to push everyone because they say they want to be professional traders, they want money, so do your job. Let's go, let's swim together. Alright, so I hope you guys understand everything. Needs to be decision. It's all about decision. So if you join us, you really want to be successful. You really have to decide to become a professional trader. Otherwise, don't show up. Don't show up.
Yeah.
Better not to. It's only for serious work.
Yeah, we don't like lazy people.
You will probably kill yourself because we will be pushing you all the time. Come on, let's do this. What you did? How you did? I think DXY is up to 105. 105? Why that's high? I don't know.
What's the price? I don't know.
Let's see. Okay, let me just check on it. So, yeah, maybe it can, but what I'm currently watching on DXY is that the price will be reacting over there around the previous stop, and we will be watching if there will be any price action, because I'm watching it to go all the way to the downside. I'm really anticipating DXY will start dropping to the downside, but to go to 105, that's possible. It could still, but then this will become a running flat in the middle, and then we'll have something like this, and then of course it can go lower. But I would rather not watch this kind of a scenario right now. I would be just ignoring this movement. Will not even be aware or watching if that it could go. Okay, where my focus is currently, it's what the price will do exactly over there. Will I get any price action? What the price will do? There's the chart is on spot where it needs to talk to me. Okay, it needs to show me some signs. It has to tell me what it will do, because chart will always tell you, hey, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. You just need to recognize it on time. Okay, check all the rules. Okay, see, check, so I can do this and this. Boom, easy. Okay, it should not be difficult, but trading is hard. That's for sure. I love the quote about, I don't think who it was, I think it was the Mark Douglas, when he said that the money is
Money earned by.
money it's the most hardest easy money.
By trading.
Yeah. This is the really good quote, because trading, it's not that easy. It's not that really easy. If it will be so easy, everyone will be professional and profitable and so on. But the fact, it's not. 95% of the people are not successful. That's because they don't have a discipline, they don't have a plan. There are a lot of puzzles that are missing.
Except on Instagram, there's everything's successful on Instagram.
On Instagram, everyone's making money. Everyone's a millionaire, billionaire, driving Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and so on. That's a lot of crap. Yeah, everyone is full-time professional trader, even if they are not 18 years old. They are full-time profitable traders with 12 years old. That's crazy. That's crazy. A lot of stuff and a lot of shit is on social sites those days. A lot of crap. Every kid is making millions and billions and so on. So that really bothers me when I watch this bullshit on Instagram. It's really crap. Okay, so let's talk about charts now, right? Let's go. Let's do some charts. Let's do it. Okay, so let me just check over there for a second. Okay, full-time losers. Yes, that's it. We all recognize them. That's who they are. That's true. Full-time losers, selling crap, telling that they will help you to become a full-time professional trader, full-time profitable trader, but they even didn't withdraw $10 from their fucking account. That's crazy. They didn't withdraw any money from their trading. Nothing. Zero. and they will teach you how to trade. Of course, my friend, they will teach everyone how to trade. Why are you laughing? That's not for laughing, that's a sad story.
Because you're mad.
No, I'm not mad. I'm pissed off. Look those idiots. Just open the Instagram. Look those idiots. Just scroll a couple of times.
Stop it.
No, that I will not stop it. That's true bullshit.
Fuck them.
Yeah, but fuck them. Brokies. Alright, so let's go. DXI, I think I've repeated about DXI a couple of times, so you all know what it's going to do. Price action, watch it, see what it's going to do. If it's going down, of course, this will be the movement that I'm searching for. I'm searching for exactly the same movement over there. Look at that one. This is the movement, this is the movement, this is the movement, and I'm anticipating the same kind of the movement over there. If it goes up, I would rather ignore it. That's not something you should be watching on. Why? Because otherwise you can miss the movement. Okay, so price, it can go up, it's still the sell. Why this is not the buy? Okay, let me tell you the secret. Okay, that's the secret. I'm like Instagram influencer. Let me tell you the secret. What the fuck?
You're so motivated.
Okay, that's not the secret, it's just the fact. So price needs to give us a correction, then it will go up. Otherwise, it will not go to the upside. It will just scrolling over there, it will just struggle over there, and then it will still go to the downside. It will just extend outside of the structure to take your money and take the money from the Instagram influencer and traders. So they will fill up the market, and I will come and I will take their money, and boom, this is what I will do. Okay, so someone has to fill up the market. You should not be in this zone. In this kind of scenario, you should be a seller. Prepare yourself for the sell. It doesn't matter if it goes a little bit higher, that should not confuse you, because it will still go downside. Okay, this is the same kind of the bullshit over there. It went up, you should not be buying. Why? Because there isn't any confirmation for buy. So what it did, if you will buy, okay, if you buy based on Instagram influencer and traders, you will be fucked up over there. You will lose everything. Okay? And what I will do, I will sell over there. I will take your money. That's perfect. Okay. So don't do something like that. Okay? Once the price will go up, and once it breaks one single trend line or a couple of trend lines, that doesn't mean buy. Alright? That's not a buy. You should not be buying based on this. You are buying based on structure, based on confirmation. You need to have some confirmation. So in this case, extension outside the structure, it's not your strategy to buy. Okay, that's a fake breakout, or however will they call it. Okay, so still prepare yourself for downside. Why? Because you are in the structure for the downside. That's so simple. There isn't any confirmation for buy. There could be a buy. Okay, I'm not neglecting that there couldn't be a buy. Yes, it could be. If it goes up, give me the correction. Yes, then it will go upside. Simple, no complications. So based on this, let's see what the rest of the market will do, because it's really important, because you have to understand this movement to hold the market. Okay, if you're not capable of watch those correlations to spread the DXY movement across the whole market and watch it as a whole, then you'll have problems. Okay, or just don't trade a lot of trades. Just pick one chart, two charts, that's all what you can do. Okay, if you don't understand how DXY, how the dollar will spread through the whole market. Alright, so your USD, what I'm currently anticipating over there is that the price will go upside anytime soon. So if price will go down, I would love to see their drop down, and I would love to see their confirmation for more downside. Until I don't have this kind of a situation, this kind of the confirmation, I will not chase the sell over there. Okay, so I will be watching for the buy, because I'm anticipating the XY to go down. I'm anticipating your USD to go upside. Here's a nice structure pushing down. So we've been selling it from the top. Couple of traders took profit. I as well took the profit already, and we're watching for the buy. Okay, so how the buy will look like. Okay, price will start going to the upside. See if you can find any price action for buy over there. Okay, so you need some price action, you need strong candles, you need something that something that proves to you that it's ready and you can start buying it. But don't use small stop loss, of course. That's the main thing. Okay, don't use the small stop loss. The price will go upside. Okay, chart is doing fantastic job, and this move, it's more than worth of taking it. pound USD, same there. Okay, so it's going down, it's struggling to downside. As you can see, this move, it's not aggressive. Okay, so if you don't see that this move is not aggressive, then you're probably blind. Okay, you have to check your eyes because this is something you have to recognize, and this is what you have to be trained for. You have to recognize impulsive movement, you have to be able to recognize corrective movement. So fast movement, slow movement, you have to see the difference. If you don't see the difference, you have a problem. Okay, you have to see the doctor, because this is the fast movement, this is the corrective, fast corrective, fast corrective. Go on your chart, train it a little bit. This is the first most fundamental thing that you will have to see. You have to recognize these movements. They are two different movements. Okay, so what the price is doing, we will be watching it for another leg to the upside. It can go a little bit lower. This will means that DXY will go a little bit higher, but that doesn't change our view. We are still watching for buy. Should I sell? Of course not. That's not a selling spot. There is not even a confirmation. Okay, if the price will do something like this, give you a bigger 4-hour confirmation, then of course you can go for sell and sell it all the way back at the previous low. Okay, these are the differences you have to understand. Otherwise, stick to this buy. You won't regret it. I can bet on that. Okay, but you have to be patient, that's for sure. New Zealand USD, that one as well. Okay, so you can see that this one is as well not moving anywhere. No move, you see? Up and down, it's corrective. No movement, no impulsive movement. Okay, this movement, it's not equal to this movement. Okay, this equal to this, it's not the same. Okay, so what we are anticipating, we are anticipating same kind of movement to the upside, and this is what I will be watching. I personally will be watching for the New Zealand USD over there for this buy. It's a nice setup. It gives me a really good risk to reward ratio, and it will be on my watch list. You should watch it as well. Oz USD, same there. Okay. I think we gain some impulse over there, some reaction over there. Now the price can confirm and keep on pushing higher. They always do something like this, okay? They always confirm. So they could confirm somewhere there and then can start push its way to the upside. Okay, so Monday, probably when the market will open, and Monday chart will be correcting, there will probably not be the big movement, okay? It could be, but I don't think so it will be. So you have to always be open for all the possibilities. You know what to do, you have to watch it. Okay, be prepared, but definitely watch for this buy order. Okay, so this is the movement which I'm still aiming. Aussie cat, same there. Okay, I don't think this is the reversal structure. Okay, that doesn't look like a reversal. So I would not be, I'm not selling it. Okay, I'm not selling it. That's based on the DXY. I still think that we are going to the upside. This could be some sort of flag, and then we will be pushing higher. If this is the sell, of course, we are not in the trade. This will just drop down. No, sorry, I am in this one. Yeah, I'm already in this Aussie cat, sorry. I'm in this trade already, but we'll see. This has to drop, this has to correct, and then to go lower. Okay, but what the price will do over there, this is what I'll have to follow my rules. Okay, this is following the rules. Alright, so aim for one more leg higher. Okay, aim for one more leg. If it goes lower, you will catch it later. You will catch it a little bit later because it has to confirm itself. Okay, so it will give you some correction, as it did over there, for example. Look at that one. It corrects, so it has to drop down, give you a kind of bigger correction, and then it can drop. Or it can drop, giving you something like this. There are a lot of chance. Okay, it could give you a running flat, and then it can still then you will be selling from there. This is where you will start searching for sell stops if it starts going lower, of course. Okay guys, am I going too fast? Can you follow up? Am I too fast? Let me know. Let's use the chat because everyone is quiet, so hope you didn't die, or hope you're fine, hope you're still there. Maybe I'm talking too fast usually when I'm totally in, when I'm totally present, I just start talking really fast. And let me know, let me see if you guys are still there, still following. Okay, good speed, thank you. Hope that I'm not too fast, that's perfect. So if you can follow, that's perfect. Alright, so let's continue its way. Euro Aussie, Same there. Okay, so I'm the seller from the top over there. So what the price will do, I will have to watch it. Okay, I will watch it. If there it will be the correction, you can still sell. Okay, don't sell it from there. Let it do 1 2 3 5 movement. 1 2 3. Sorry. I'm a little bit confused, but it's fine. Okay, so 1 2 3 movement, and then you go downside. Okay, this is what you have to wait for. If not, let go. Let do what it wants to do. Once it will reach the bottom, you go for a buy over there. Simple, not complicated. Pound Aussie. Okay, I'm still selling it from the top. What the price will do, we will watch it. Okay, so if you want to take the sell, I don't recommend you taking sell from resistance right now. I'm the seller from the top. Okay, I'm selling it from the top. You should rather wait for this movement. Okay, let it do, let it finish, let it give you some price action, let it struggle, let it prove you something, let it talk to you. Okay, once the chart will talk to you, show you the signs, take this buy, and then definitely from there, this is where I want everyone to be a seller. Okay, so if the price will reach again this top, you should be the seller from the top. Okay, these are the setups, these are the charts where you will get a lot of money. Okay, so by being patient and wait for the price to reach the top, this is a really money making movement. Okay, so use the cat. I'm as well like waiting for sell over there. I don't think this will continue outside or do anything else. This is just a reversal structure. I don't see any other signs. I don't see the buy setup. If you're buying there, you have to watch it pretty close, follow your rules. This trade should not be close to break even or even a loss. That's the worst case scenario, but even closing this trade on a break even, it's not good. You have to pay yourself. Okay, so because if you grab this trade over there and if it will take you out with the break even, you did something wrong because you didn't pay your time over there. Okay, you have to pay your time always. This is the mindset that you have to apply, that you have to use, and how you have to look when you are trading. Okay, that's totally different from investing. Trading is different. You always have to watch market, how you'll pay yourself first, then the rest of the world. This is just how it works. First give me the money, then I will see what I will do. Okay, so that's how it works, and stick to this formula. It really works. Okay, so these are the charts that I will follow. Now I will show you the rest of the market, which I will not be trading for now, but maybe I will change my mind Monday, Tuesday. I don't know. I am watching charts every day, so we'll just change my mind if I see anything else. Alright, new USD Chief, I'm saying this one is a swell good chart if you want to trade it. Okay, so this is a nice corrective structure, impulse correction, and it went up. This is the 1 to 3 movement. I see it's a nice corrective movement for more downside. I really don't think this will go another leg higher, but if you decide and find the sell stop over there and the price will go struggling to the trend line, giving you the corrective movement, then you should exit. Okay, so you should get the hell out of the trade if you see that the price is not aggressive, if it is not moving as you expected, and if it's not strong enough. Okay, you have to just pack up your stuff and get out of the trade. Easy. Okay, so let it go down. USD, South African Rand. This one it's interesting chart. I think we will go and tag the top over there. We will see some struggling over there, and then it still has to come down. It's not completed structure. For me, something is missing. I see this one as a one movement, second, and the third wave is missing. I think we need to go down back to this low to give us some sort of flat over there, and then we can continue its way to the upside. Okay, this is the spot where everyone should be start building their positions. Okay, it's a really good spot, good risk to reward ratio, but definitely if you have some skills, if you have the strategy, if you have the rules, if you know what you're doing, if you're confident, you can go for this sell. Okay, that's a good sell. I will probably go for this movement, but it's not ready yet. Okay, it should not be monitored yet because it's not ready yet. It needs some signs first, but there are no signs currently. It can still struggle, do something like this, and then it can drop. In this case, it will not go that much. It will give us a running flat. Okay, it will give us the running flat, and then it will start its movement to the upside from there, but with not breaking this low, to go from there. Okay, really easy. Oh, the chief, just missed the click. Oh, the chief, if you bought it from the bottom, that's perfect. What the price will do, I don't buy. Okay, that's the worst spot if you want to buy. Okay, don't buy it. So what you have to do, you have to wait for a confirmation, correction, pullback, whatever you call it, and then go for the trade. Don't watch for this pullback on 1 second chart. That's a bullshit. Okay, watch it on at least 1 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour and 1 hour pullbacks are enough strong, and it can push the price all the way to the upside. So what is the problem? Usually people are following the lower time frame corrections, and then they are saying that they can grab the big movements. And the worst thing is that people dreaming to catch a swing with 1 second chart or 1 minute chart, that ain't gonna work. Okay, because there's too much stress. A lot of things are happening on lower time frame, and it's really hard to catch. I'm not saying it's not possible, it is possible, but it's really hard to catch with lower time frame. You will be sitting in front of the computer for a lot of hours, and by the end you will end up with a big frustration on your face, and after all you will miss the movement. Okay, so this is what you will get by following the lower time frame and want to grab the swing trade. Okay, that ain't gonna work. You have to see all the reactions on higher time frame, because what is the point? If you see on lower time frame the correction, this correction will push the pair just for the lower for the shorter term of period. Okay, it's not strong that enough. Let's watch it as the strengthness. Chart on 15 minutes and correction on 15 minutes are not that strong to push the chart on 4 hour. Okay, but correction which will be visible on 4 hour is enough strong to push the chart for really big movement. Okay, big movement, it's possible only by higher time frame. So for example, this correction over there, okay, this is not a 15-minute correction, this is the 4-hour pullback, a correction. And then this correction, once it's finished, it's able to push the chart that much. Lower time frame, it's not possible, and it's really hard to catch on lower time frame to go from this kind of the movement to this big. No, usually if you're trading on lower time frame, you will be catching small movements, 20, 30 pips, 40 pips, something like that, and it's even riskier. Okay, so I don't recommend you doing this. Decide and pick on the time frame, and you have to be really clear what you are doing. You need to know the direction. You have to understand the correction, how it develops, and how it can get complicated. So make sure you understand this into details, and you have a really well structured trading plan and all the rules. And of course, you need to have a confidence in those rules so that you're not violating. Okay, I've been working with a lot of traders that we make a modification. Okay, so we modify the rules for them, because every trader is unique. Okay, I always sit down with the trader, I see how he's living, how many time he's having, and how long he can be focused, how long he can stay focused, and then based on all those information and how he live his life, then we create a trading plan and the rules which he have to stick to. And sometimes it happens that they are lying, they are not that honest with themselves, and they can't stick to the simple rules. Okay, that's where we have to work on and build this kind of discipline and the confidence and so on. Okay, so this is where I personally as a coach have a big value, because I help you to build this kind of the discipline, this kind of the trading rules, trading discipline, trading plan, and then you can scale up with your trading. You can start making money, you can withdraw your money, you can pay your bills so you're not broke anymore, and so on. Okay, so this is where trading coach have a big value and impact on your life and on your trading, and of course to help you develop your unique trading plan, which every one of us need. Okay, nobody has the same exactly trading plan. We have a little bit different. Some have a different time frames, higher time frames, lower time frame, blah blah blah, and a bunch of rules. Great chart patterns. Thank you very much for recognizing my special chart patterns. DXY for next week. I think you're a little bit late. We already discussed about the DXY, but bear with me, we will repeat it once I will finish it. Okay, so bear with me if you would love to see it once again. Okay, the DXY we are watching for sell, that's what I can say, but I should not go back on the chart on DXY because it can take too long, and this webinar will be 10 hours long and nobody will be there for 10 hours. So I would rather just go forward. Okay, so the New Zealand cat, same there. Watch for the buy setup. That's correcting over there. Okay, I see this as a correction, so watch it. This breakdown doesn't mean you have to sell. Okay, don't do these stupid things. You just have to wait, let it struggle, let it drop even, it doesn't matter, and then go for the buy. Okay, so if this is the sell, and if you're not selling it from the top, then you should not even think about selling it over there. Okay, because first, you have a bad entry point. Second, your risk management is not making point. And of course, the third most important thing is your risk to reward ratio. It's a bullshit. Okay, you will be risking $5 to make $1. That's not logical. Okay, but don't do these things, because it will keep you away from being a profitable trader. Okay, so I really would love you, every one of you, that you really understand what I'm saying. That could be a little bit hard understanding, and I do understand you if you don't understand everything from the first word I say. There's a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge over there from my side, so you have to watch the webinar a couple of times to understand what I'm saying. Okay, so New Zealand Chief. This one's not that looking great at the moment, but this could be the 1, 2, and 3. Could be a nice confirmation, and then we will be going to the upside. So as it over there went up, give it a pullback. There will be just a different type of the pullback. It will be the flag, and then it will still continue to the upside. That's what I see, and this will be all the reflection of the dollar. That's the most important thing over there to stress this word. Pound New Zealand. Don't do anything, let it do whatever it wants to do, let it even tag the low, and then we'll see. So skip it for the next week bullshit chart. Your New Zealand, you can go for the sell if you get this pattern confirmation over there. So you have to see this corrective structure over there running flat, and then you will be selling for the last small push to the downside. This will be the short-term trade. Okay, you ain't gonna hold it for long, and you won't risk a lot of money over there. Okay, so you can just risk some small money. Just this trade is for fun. Okay, just small money. Okay, biggest risk trade should be from the top. These are the trades from where you can have a little bit slightly higher risk, but not too much. Okay, it's all about the numbers, so don't over risk. I know that you are already over risking, but don't do it over there. You can over risk it on other places. Your cat, that's gonna be the deeper pullback or correction or a total reversal, but I don't think total reversal will appear. So if you have the skills and capacity to trade, price could do something like this, give a deeper correction, and then it will go all the way back at the previous low. Okay, so if you know how to trade this correction, you can go for it. It will take a little bit longer. It could go very slow and very boring movement, so you will have to survive through a couple of pullbacks, and then the chart will go to the trend line eventually with very slow movement. Catch it, don't do anything. Okay, it will go up, probably tagging the previous top over there, and then it will start pushing lower. It will give you some sort of flag or even a flat. Pound cat. I think this could be the ending diagonal channel, then it will continue its way to the upside. But let's see, let it give you a couple more reactions and a couple more candles. Okay, I would love to see that price is striking over there, so I can then see that this is really something that I'm waiting for, that will appear. Okay, and this is all from the Forex pairs. Alright, so I will go now with the silver and gold. And if you guys would love to know anything else, then I will slowly go to the crypto. Crypto will be the next topic that I would love to discuss about. I know that there are a couple of traders that are just waiting for the crypto, that's for sure, I know them. So, you guys would love to know anything else instead of silver and gold? Let me know, use the chat. Do you have any questions based on the Forex? Because after this topic, we will switch to the crypto. So now it's time that you will start talking, because I already talk a lot. So now it's your turn. You can talk. feel free to talk with us. Can you explain more about the academy? Yes, I can explain you more. It depends what you would love to know about the academy. What are exactly you interested for? This academy. It's a little bit different because it's more personal. We have a personal contact over there. What you will get by joining the academy, you'll get the videos, you'll get the live support or our live community, and of course you'll get my personal touch. Okay, that's really personal academy. Okay, I really take care that every trader is doing his job. Okay, I will remind you every morning. I will bother you what you did, how you did. We will make a plan. We will make a
Me
special.
too.
Yeah, we both will. we both will be bothering you. So we will push you to become a profitable trader. Okay.
We will leave you alone after 10k.
Yeah.
After you earn 10k, we can leave you alone.
Yeah, we leave traders alone when they make $10,000. Okay, when you make $10,000 of profit, okay, then you are free from us. Then we will not be
selling the house.
Yeah. Then we will not be bothering you anymore. This is how it works. And of course, you have a chat. There are a lot of professional traders already in there. A couple of them are still learning as you do. Probably there are a lot of traders that are ashamed. They are not talking in general chat. We have a general discussion chat. We are discussing, and this is where I share my charts, my setups. But usually some people are really ashamed that they don't talk over there. A couple of traders are really active over there on the general chat. You will meet them. Okay, these are just a couple of traders. The rest are ashamed, and they are sending me the private messages, right? Like a pussy. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. Yeah, everyone from the academy, every single member have a personal touch with me, okay? I will be there for you. I will help you develop your special trading plan based on how you live, what is your current lifestyle, what are your current experiences. I will give you, and we will together, not I will just give you, we will go together through everything. You'll tell me what you did in the past, what you already learned. You'll show me how you were doing it, how you were progressing. Did you do any profits? Did you withdraw any profits, and so on? Okay, so it's really more personal touch. That's special academy. Okay, because I see in the trading.
We can kick your ass for free if you want.
Yeah, so
it's on me.
My wife will kick everyone in his ass, so we give everything, even for free. Okay, yeah, but enough of kidding. So yeah, this academy is really special. You will not find any academy like this, because working with people in all those years, I have recognized that with just recording one video and upload it somewhere for which you will pay, that's total bullshit. Okay, you can't do anything by just watching this single video. That's nothing. Okay, you will not make any money by just watch the video and then bump, you're done. Okay, that's it, I can go on vacation. No. Okay, we have more work, more personal work, more work and modifications on how you live, your lifestyle and your goals and blah blah blah. There's a lot of stuff that we have to work on together, personal, individual, with individual touch. Okay, but if you have more questions, of course, feel free to send me the private message. I will explain you everything what you would love to know. We can even make a webinar, okay, special for your webinar. We can talk about it. We will be discussing for, I don't know which reasons are you calling me or what it's bothering you. Okay, Mehmet saying that's is the best academy, 100%. Yeah, this is our member. Mehmet's one of our member. He's the crypto professional. He's having, I think he has all the coins on the crypto. Yeah, he's always.
I'm the king.
Yeah, he's really hardly investing in the crypto.
Rocking.
He's rocking the crypto markets, of course. But anyway, thank you for the feedback, Meho. Okay, so I'll then do the silver and gold and then we will slowly switch to crypto. Did we miss the Black Friday sales? No, there weren't any Black Friday sales. You sent me, yeah. Meho, what you have sent me on what you sent me for the crypto, I already updated my trading list, so I have it over there. It's I think this is your list. Okay, this is everything what you have sent me from here to here. I already have it. We will be discussing about this. I've added every single pair that you sent me. I've added over there, and now we will discuss about it. So let me just give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes to finish this silver and gold, and then we will switch to the crypto. And of course, everyone can still stay there because crypto could be a good chance. If you have any bonus, any money that it's lying on the bank, don't let it lay on the bank because it's trash. Rather invest it somewhere in the crypto. You can maybe see some idea where you can invest it and so on. And of course, you will be just making money over there as well. Okay, so I always recommend everyone who is having a spare money, some money that he doesn't need, rather put it in some investment. That could be either SP500, that could be either crypto, whatever you're doing. Just invest it. Okay, don't trade with this money, but invest it. Okay, because if you will stacking this money on the bank, you will not be making any money. Okay, that's a trash, and you will not make any money. Okay, but if you will invest it somewhere and leave it in the investment, you will be increasing your portfolio. This money will just getting bigger and bigger. And what is the problem over there? Because usually when people are saving their money, save up to, I don't know, 20k. Okay, in case if they save up 20k, and when the recession will come, you'll still have this 20k, but this 20k is worth of nothing. Before, you were able to buy with this 20k a car, a solid car. But now, when the inflation hits, you can't buy a car, this which you were watching before. Or the biggest example and the best example over there is if you have 100k on site to buy a house 10 years ago. With 100k, you were able to buy a house. But when inflation hits, okay, you still have a 100k, but you can't buy anything with this 100k, and this is the bullshit. This is what you have to understand by investing and saving money on the bank and somewhere under the bed or wherever you're hiding it. It's not making sense, and you're losing your value. Okay, because like I said, with 100k 10 years ago you were able to buy a house. Today you can buy only 1/3 of the house. And that's it, you're done. Boom. Okay? So this is losing value. Okay, enough of talking. Let's do the silver now. Silver. Yeah, I would not be trading it over there if you sold it from the top. Perfect. Okay, so there was really nice signs that the price will drop down. Personally, I didn't watch it. I didn't take a sell. Couple of traders did it. Couple of missed it. And that's totally fine. And what the price will do right now, if you sell it from there, pray for a great job, you have to slowly take up your profit. Okay, so you are about to hit your profit. On Friday, there was as well a selling setup. You will be able to take a sell over there. Now the price will struggle over there, and if it does so, if it stops over there, gives you any struggle, you have to watch it. If it gives you the price action, you should be a buyer because it can go quickly back at this top over there. That could happen kind of fast. Okay, so make sure you are checking. If you're trading the silver, you have to watch it and see what the price will do. Give it some time. Okay, so don't just immediately when the price when the market open just buy. No, don't do that. That's not making sense. You have to watch it. Give it some time. Let it settle down first. Okay, because it has to settle down after this strong drop over there. Let it settle down. Watch reactions. Give it some time. Boom. Then you start trading. Okay, very easy, and you don't need to rush. You will not miss anything. We are still not at the bottom total, not at the trend line, sorry. Gold. Gold is not the sell, that's for sure. I don't think this is the sell. That seems to me more like 1 to 3, maybe there will be the 4 and the 5, and then it will still go up. Okay, that's why I'm always saying don't take a sell on the break of the trend line. Okay, that's not making any sense. You will be pissed off. Okay, and if you do remember how many times it happens to you that you took a sell, then chart reverse, hit you out with the stop loss, and you miss the buy. Okay, this is exactly the same problem that you are facing, that you are selling it with really bad entry point. You didn't optimize your spots. Okay, you always have to optimize your entries, optimize your spots, where you're doing what. Okay, this is really important lesson that I'm constantly teaching people. It's important to optimize your entries. It's really important. It's the most important stuff where you enter, because where you enter relates to how much you make money. What is your risk to reward ratio? How much I can risk? Can I increase a little bit more? Okay, so can I double my risk, for example? That all have a big role, play a big role in this game. So it's really important. So what it will do, I don't think it will drop lower, but definitely you should not be buying it. Let it probably correct for one more, then it will do something like this, then it will give you some reversal signs, then watch for any price action and then go for the buy. Okay, so you have to be a little bit more patient over there. Okay, let it do whatever it wants to do. Some reactions do something. Okay, so don't jump immediately. Look at that one. Okay, you always have enough time. This one candle can't do anything. Okay, don't rely on candle. You should not be candle trader. You should be a structure trader. Okay, big switch in mentality. Don't be the candle trader, be the structure trader. Okay, two different things. Usually it happens. I know, I understand you. It even happens to me sometimes. When I see some boom volatility, immediately my focus switches now on volatility on the candle. Then I remind myself, because I have the rules, you should not be doing this. Go back to your rules. Focus on structure. Get your mind out of the money. You should focus on the structure. And this is your point. This is what you have to be constantly doing if this happens to you, in case if it happens. Okay, to some it happens, to some it doesn't. We are all different and special, so that's the case. Okay, so now we finally finished with the commodity and with the Forex. Okay, if there are any questions, let's wait for a couple of questions based related on Forex. Okay, if not, you can still bear with us. It's at least fun and you will learn something new, of course. That's the most important thing, because now we will go slowly to the crypto world. Miho is probably now celebrating. No, I'm just kidding. Miho is like, yeah, finally. Dominance, Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so I said I have to wait for a couple of questions on for people if they are having any questions about trading, about the Forex. Okay, so Meho, I think everyone can see what he's writing. He wrote it very important to put your coin on the cold storage. Okay. What he's trying to say is he's trying to give you the advice to invest for long term, because crypto, it's really better to invest on long term. If you will stack your money in the crypto, you'll be building the portfolio. But this is not trading, this is investing. That's a different style. So with investing, there's less risk, but you have to hold it for a longer period. Okay, so Meho is doing this really perfect. He's having a lot of portfolio there on the crypto. Amazing job. Okay, so he's investing really strongly. So once the market will explode, then you will be celebrating probably with a lot of money. But you lose your potential stake. That's not so true. If you're watching it from the trading perspective, then yes, you're losing. But if you're watching it from the investment perspective, then no, you're not losing. Because sorry. Because these are the two different things. Okay? Two different things. Investing, trading is totally different point of view. Because I personally, when I'm watching the charts from trading perspective, I always see that I'm missing something. Why? Because I see move up, boom, I take profit, wait for the correction, okay, even trade to the downside, make money up and down and then up again, okay? That's the difference with trading perspective. You can make eventually more money with trading, that's for sure. That's for sure. But with investing, you will be constantly making money, and investing is for those who don't understand trading that well, or they don't have time, or they don't like trading, okay? I'm not blaming everyone for investing, that's okay and it's perfect. Okay, if you decide to invest, you have to invest for long term. Because of all reasons, you don't want to trade, it's too risky for you, you don't have time, you have just spare money that you want to put somewhere, and blah 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 blah. Okay, so that's totally fine, and based on that you have to watch it from an investing perspective. An investing perspective works on years, so you're building a portfolio. You're not watching if you can make 300%, you're watching to make 100 fixed, so by not doing anything. Okay, with investing, you are watching if I can put some money somewhere, and I don't need to watch it, and even doing it, even reading anything and whatever, and to just grow, that's fine. Because for trading, there's a total different view. It's like another world. Two different stories. Sometimes I have problems with investings because I'm always calculating, okay, if I will be buying there, liquidate there, then take a sell, and then buy again, liquidate there, I will eventually make more money. That's for sure. But that requires more time. Sometimes you are not able to spend that time, or don't want to trade or whatever. Everyone has their own reasons, and it's okay. We have to support everyone's ideas. Okay, so since there are no questions about the Forex, I will start now with... Oh, thank you very much for the water, my wife. I'm talking too much today.
Yeah.
How would you analyze US 100? Yes, I will, just bear with me. I will first go now with the crypto. Meho is a little bit tired because he's there since the beginning and he's only waiting for the crypto. And it's been 1 hour long. He's still there. He's still active, so we have to respect him. We will watch now the crypto because of this. No, I'm just kidding. We'll watch the crypto because it's time to watch the crypto. Yeah, and then bear with me. We can watch anything else. We can watch stocks. We can watch whatever you want, indexes, commodities, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's do Bitcoin. What Bitcoin is? Bitcoin, it's really high. So if you already become interested for investing, you should not be buying the Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin, it's at the top and we need to have a deeper correction before you will be buying it again. Even coming deeper back to the trend line, that's even possible, but I don't think we will come that far. I think there will be some correction, we will be getting higher from there. Okay, they always give you deeper corrections. Okay, but for now, I think there it will be something like this, and then we'll be continuing to the upside. So don't buy it over there, it is not a good spot. It can go high, but not that much. This can do something like this. If you want, you can take it. If you're skilled, you can take it. If you're there and you will watch it, you can still take it. Okay, but you need a plan. You need to understand what it will do. Okay, if you are buying it for that much, you have to put your focus there because it's not a long-term movement. Okay, you have to understand it. Because anytime soon there it will be deeper correction. It always does after every jump. Okay, so up correction, bigger correction is everything together, and then again up correction, and then again up, and then deeper correction. Same exactly can happen over there. So it come really far without having any bigger correction. There was one. So if we compare this one and this one to this one and this one, then we need deeper. Okay, so this is what we need. Look at that one. We need something like this, and then the price will go to the upside. Really simple to understand. Okay, so I know it's not that simple, but at least when I'm showing to you, it's simple. Okay. Okay, so you always have to watch for some pullback, for some complications after this big movement, because chart move already a lot. and it needs to correct itself. Okay, correction, it's more than needed. Okay, but it can just go for the one more up, and then it will start its movement. Which correction, how it looks, I can't know right now because there are no signs currently. But once it will start, it will give me at least one movement, then we can know. Okay, so if you're holding, if you see this, don't start to liquidating your positions because it's just correcting. Okay, so that's it. Bitcoin dominance can go and give you the correction over there. It can just do something like this. Based on that, you'll have a expanded flat over there, and then it will continue its way to the upside. Okay, that's very, very possible. XRP, I think we need to have one more move to downside, something like this. Okay, that will give me then the 1, 2, and 3. Okay, something like this, and then we will go probably tagging the previous stop. Okay, that's more than a likely, very possible scenario that can happen over there. All right, so keep an eye on there. So there are some weekly buys. Okay, so this is my investment. Don't touch it, please. It's my investment. So this is where me and my wife put our money over there. We put it somewhere there. I think around 118 something, somewhere there we bought it, and now we will see what the price will do. I personally anticipate, what did I just press? I just anticipate this will correct and go for one more leg higher, and then we'll see what the price is about to do. Okay, nothing big, but this is our anticipate, and this is probably where we'll liquidate our investment because we can't hold that long. We are traders. Okay, we're always watching for the structures, so in and out, it's my disease. Okay. We have a disease, we have to get in and get out because we are having a lot of time watching charts. So if you're probably the best spot again for the long-term investment, it will be down there. I think this XLM can go that much. I think it can go. If it doesn't give you the correction over there, going up and then correct to the downside, then possibility exists that this can reach the previous bottom. But if it gives you this kind of the correction over there, you can bought it over there, and it will go back at the previous top at least. This much is how you can make. Okay, that's the minimum what you can make over there. Yeah, I did the dollar already index, but we will go and we will discuss about DXY. Just bear with us. There was one guy over there on the TradingView asking as well for the US 100, so we will be discussing this together. If you will stay there, I would love to really go through the crypto now, okay? Because it's really time. People are not patient anymore, watching and waiting for the crypto. So stay there, yeah, easy. Stay there. Okay, this is my investment. So let's switch now quickly to the pairs that Meho is watching. Okay, so this one it's interested as well. It can go a little bit lower, giving you something like this, and then it can break out, or it will be struggling upside, take the top, it can go down, break the low, and then it can go up. Okay, it's a really interesting spot where you have to watch it. Okay, you should be buying it earlier. There was the trading setup at the bottom, so this is the best spot to start buying. Okay, so or there was the best spot to start building your positions. Okay, Meho having a lot of positions from really good spots because he know where to watch, how to watch, where to invest, and this is what you have to do as well. You have to have at least some knowledge if you would love to make more money. So price can go there and give you the correction like this, something like this, and this is where you can start buying it. Okay, this is for the longer term investment. The price, how far it can go all the way to the up. Let me switch to the daily time frame so you understand it much better. Okay, so we are really at the bottom. Okay, really perfect chart that Meho has sent us. Okay, really good chart. Price was hitting the low. I think there it will be just the correction which I'm currently mentioning to you, and then we will start pushing to the upside. Okay, really big potential, a lot of money it's over there. So if you have some spare money, you can invest it. Look at that one. But it's not even worth. It's not even worth of mentioning. It's a lot of money over there. But let's wait for this setup to set up properly. Okay, proper setup is what you need. I will probably be watching once we'll take this low. I will start watching it. Okay, so this will be the time to start watching for your investment, where to build your investment positions. Okay, really good, really good. Wave USDT. This one can go and get a little bit struggles. Okay, so if it corrects, okay, perfect. You can bought it. Back at the top, be careful what the price will do. You have to recognize on time. If it starts to drop, okay, that's perfectly fine. If it drops down correctively, that's even better because it will continue higher. Okay, but if you bought it, if it's struggle over there, if you recognize that this is not what you expected, if there are not correction, if the price will start struggling, giving you price actions for the downside, you can even liquidate positions and bought there more. Okay, but you already should be a buyer from the previous low. Solana, yeah, more correction is needed. Okay, so it's already gone. Okay, there has been the perfect setup. It went up, so the price can give you the correction. You can buy for that much. If it continue upside, perfect, you did a good job. But you have to wait for this pattern completion, then go up. If it gives you the corrective movement, then you can load your gun and invest more. Really good charts are those charts. OP, that could be a little bit dangerous, but keep an eye on it. This could be the 1, 2, 3. Be careful. This could be something like this. It can still go for one more leg lower. Okay, break the low, and then turn it to the upside. Let's see from the daily. It will not go, but you need to have correction. This is very dangerous. This movement could be completed and we could start deeper correction. Okay, so don't buy it over there. If you bought it earlier, perfect, you did a wonderful job. Okay, but buying at the top, it's not a good idea. INJ USDT is going already. This one you can hold. Okay, this is something you can hold. You can add more, it's gone. Okay, this is something that's gone. There has been a nice perfect correction. You should be adding trades over there, adding your investment over there, and this is what you should still hold now. Okay, so just keep on holding. It can go very, very far. It can easily touch the previous high, even break it. Okay, this can break it because we have 1, 2, 3, break the top and then starts to reverse. Flow USDT, same there. Okay, I would wait for the correction if you're not in. Okay, so if you are not in our academy, if you didn't catch it, if you don't have the knowledge, it's totally fine. What you have to do now, just join the academy and you will get it. No, I'm just kidding. You just have to watch for the correction and then you will be able to get it. But of course, yeah, you need knowledge. Okay, you need knowledge, but correction is more than important. You have to understand how it develops. Gala, up, definitely up, but this needs to give you the correction again. Okay, you need to have a correction, then you can loading more positions and then continue its way to the upside. Link, one more down as well. All those coins are showing me medium term downside. Okay, like this, for example. This is the running flat in the making. Look at that one. 1, 2, 3 will go down by not breaking the previous low. Okay, not breaking the previous low, and then it will continue its way to the upside. Really important to understand how it will develop, so where to start buying it. You can miss this movement. It's not worth of be afraid of. Okay, but definitely you can start building your buy. This could be this week. By the end of the week, this can happen. Crypto is really fast market, so yeah, you can buy definitely good buy over there on the link USDT. AGX, same there. This completed. This is not completed yet. I think we need one more down. yes, and then go up. All coins are showing this one, this small down. On Wednesday, probably Thursday, that could be completed, and then you can start buying again. This one going down as well, or even deeper, not that deeper, okay, something like this, and then you can still buy it, okay? Keep an eye on it. Atom, same there, but let me just move on the high time frame. I need high time frame. Yes, that can go all the way to this top, but we need a correction, okay? So this running flat, it's needed. I think we need, let me just, yes, this has to happen, and then it can go up. This is the running flat, and then they go. All right, for our, it could be, don't buy it from there, it's kind of dangerous, okay? It could still go down. Look how complicated it can get if you're, especially if you're trading down, running flat, go up, break the top, and then go down for another running flat, and then it can go up. You see, this is how complex it can get. So either wait for this low or this low, something like this, somewhere there you can start watching for buy it. If you're investing, you don't need to exactly catch the momentum, but it's good that you at least know that you're buying from the good spot. You'll make more money eventually from those better spots, optimized spots. AVAX, very good chart. It gone already, okay? So we've been discussing for charts over there, okay? So if you go back on my channel, and if you watch the date, which date was it? I have no idea which date was there. It was around October. Watch the October streaming recording. It's on YouTube or Trading Gear, whatever you're watching, you can watch it, and you will see that we were anticipating this move to the upside. Okay, it's went amazing. So now if you find any continuation patterns or deeper corrections, you can still buy. Previous week there was one, so there should be another one, and then keep on going higher. You can still have a chance, you can still catch it, but give it some time. Okay, give it some time before you will be jumping into those coins. IDU, it can go down and then up. Yes, possible, very possible. So keep an eye over there, watch it, how it develops. It can still go for this low, break all those lows, even close to these lows, and then it can go up. Yes, possible. Very good coin as well. These are all good coins that are over there, but they all need small movements to finish its movement. This one could start going, but be careful. Just keep an eye. If it starts exploding, you can buy it, and you will see. I'll go. Same there. I really hope that you guys bought from there, or bought from there where we were discussing on the webinar. There you need again correction. Okay, so you have to be patient enough to wait for this correction to appear, and then you can go for it. Matic, that's good. That could be complicated because it can hit the top, go down, give it a big flat, and if this big flat occurs over there, you have to watch the previous low and load your positions from the previous low. Okay, that's gonna be the flat, and we will be heading to the upside. Okay, so very good opportunity to load your positions from the previous low. Okay, very good. DYDX, yeah. What a strange names on the crypto, yeah, sometimes. Let's see. This can go down, it can go up, it can still go down and up. Yeah, this could be the complex movement. But definitely as well for the buy. Buy, it's there, it's building, and it has a nice potential. Daily. Oh, daily it's not showing good spot. I would be rather waiting more. That could be dangerous. This could be a sell structure. That's the coin that I really don't like. Skip that one. Dot. Same there. I don't know why I see this kind of the movement. I would if you bought from there, it's okay, it's perfect. But you have to watch your charts now, because if this doesn't correct over there and go up, you have to liquidate your positions. Why? Because this becomes a running flat, and it will go for another low, break the low, and then it will start its movement to the upside. It will just go revisit the low and then go up. Nothing strange. But if you have positions over there, you should not be afraid of. Okay, if you're investing positions from the bottom, it's totally fine. But definitely I would rather wait for correction over there. Wait for it. DV, this one's good as well. Watch for buy setups over there. Watch for buy and take a buy over there. Fat, same there. Wait for the pullback and then go for the buy. Good coins. Almost all coins are kind of similar. Okay, so same there. It's going down and then up, or it can explode. Okay, if this correction explodes over there, you can buy. You can buy over there on the break of this top. I'm saying because of investing. That's the investing strategy. Again, correction. You need to have a correction over there, and then up. All right. ANJ. Again, correction. You almost need area correction. Okay, so at least this kind of the correction, like this, medium term correction, and then you can buy. Okay, you can even with a couple of pairs that are that will struggle for a correction. You can just buy above the high over there once the correction is completed. Easy. ARU. 1, 2, 3, flat and then up. Easy. PYR USDT. This one's kinda complex one. Let it do whatever. Let it come down. Let it come down close to this bottom, and then you can start buying some. Okay, so that's most of the coins. Okay, so this one as well, let it go down and then you can buy, or even back at the previous low. Okay, so you have to watch the spot for watching it's over there at around the previous low, and then you have to decide, should I get in or what should I do? Alright, so if this one as well, they all on all coins, let's sum up everything. On all coins, wait for the correction at least till Wednesday, Thursday. Wait for it, wait for the correction, then check up on it and see what they're doing. Okay, do we have any question for any special coin, anything for investing, any questions? Okay, are you guys still there? Let me know. Did you fall asleep? Did die anyone during the crypto? What's going on? Let me know. Are you still there? Use the chat. Let's see who is there still. Are you guys still interested to watch the dollar index once again and to quick check on US 100? Let me know, guys. If you're still there, let me know. I will go to those charts and check up once again for you. Okay, people are still there. Very well. Miha is asking for FTM USDT. Let me see that one. I don't know, where is it. It was FTM USDT. It was there, but yeah, right there. Look, my old analysis for the buy. We've been buying it previous month, previous year. Sorry, not month. Previous December, we've been buying it over there for this move. Again, it's going up. What is doing? What should we do? Wait for the correction as well. My answer is always wait for the correction. Yeah, because it's all about the timing. Okay, timing. There, I would love to see there at least three wave structure. 1, 2, 3, and then you can buy. If you don't know, and if you are investing, you can buy above the high. Okay, so if you don't know and how this will be over, you can buy above the high. That's the easiest strategy for investing. You can buy above the high. Yeah, Nedelko. Where have you been all that time?
Hello?
Bitcoin Cash.
Where are you?
Nedelko was
Was that
sleeping.
our Nedel?
Yeah, our Nedelko.
Hello? I need to kick you.
She's kicking everyone.
No, people will think that I'm aggressive.
GMR ETT Vire Hex. Quick dollar index. Yes, we'll watch the dollar index. Just take a couple of minutes. Let's quick check on those. It's GLMR USDT. Okay, let's have a look on this one. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's a swell good coin. Very good coins. But there was the perfect option and setup. I can't I can't ignore this. This was the most wonderful spot that everyone should be buying or there. Okay, these are the two spots. Currently we are high and I do recommend another pullback and then I would be buyer. Okay, so if you already buy, congratulations, you're doing wonderful, and it can still go higher. Okay, so how to buy? Watch this and buy above the high ones. There will be any strong reaction. Okay, buy and see, watch it, what is going on and how it will go. But good one. Okay, so especially if you load them from the previous lows and or they're from these corrections. Okay, so those are the corrections where you have to load your positions over there and over there. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so Nedok is saying that he will be there in January or February and March as well. Whoa! So he is coming back.
Finally!
Yeah.
You took too long, your vacation.
ETC USDT. Yeah. This one is kind of strange. Again, I rather wait for the correction, but if you bought it from those corrections, these are the corrections, you guys. These are the opportunities that you have to recognize on time, and this is from where you have to start investing. Okay, that's the this is the great spot to buy. Okay, but good. Hope you're already in and having those coins. VRIUSDT. Oh yeah, this one will probably go for another correction. Okay, so it can go down there, give you the bigger correction over there, and then it will continue to. If this happens, that's the perfect opportunity to buy, to start investing over there from the previous low. Watch for the price action and go for it. You have to go for it. Now what else? It was that was the VRI. Yeah, that's Hex USDT. This one. Oh, this one's good. This one is looking great. Okay, so that's one. This is what I love to see. It went up. It's struggling, coming down slowly. This is perfect opportunity, and now it starts to pushing higher. Oh yeah, oh shit. This one. So keep an eye out there. It's already giving you some signs. So watch this correction over there. If it starts breaking, boom, you should be in. Okay, it's a good opportunity. That's a good chart. I like this one. That's the great one. Perfect. IOTA. IOTA, it's over there. Good one as well. This is good one as well, yeah. Good. But be careful if this goes up there, stop there, it will go down, give it a flat, and then it will explode to the upside. Very possible scenario. So keep an eye on this structure development, but definitely good to buy as well. Good one. You see, guys, this is what I love. I love to invest or start investing or watching for investment opportunities when I see some corrections, some pattern development or something like that. I don't love to buy at the peak. Okay, I really don't love to buy when everything gets over, when all the previous impulses are gone. I would love to get in and get the impulse. Okay, and this is one of the good examples. Oh, Meho still is having a lot of coins. Oh, this webinar will be 2 hours long probably.
It's already 1.5 hours.
Yeah, we will. That's the last coin that we'll watch, and then quickly check on DXY News 100, and then we'll end the webinar. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one's doing as
Yeah,
well.
for the king.
This one is good, yeah? This one is good as well. This one's great. Okay, so let's slowly end the webinar there. It's been 2 hours, almost 1 hour and a half, yeah, and it's kind of too long, so let's slowly end the webinar. Neither are you investing or just watching? You're more than welcome, Meho. Alright, so quick dollar index. This is what people are interested still. The guy who was asking on TradingView would love to know about US 100 analysis. Let me know, are you still there? If you're not there, then I will not wasting time. Okay, so DXY, here is the DXY. We've been discussing that we are watching there for the price action at the beginning of the webinar. So I will be just quick over there with the DXY because I don't want to discuss once again about the DXY. At the beginning of the webinar you have a really long explanation about the DXY, and the recording will be available on TradingView and the YouTube as well. So feel free to rewatch it as many times as you wish. There we went through all those pairs, so if you were late on the webinar you can still rewatch it, use it. You can comment under the video if you have any questions or anything would love to say, blah blah, whatever. Just feel free to comment. And yeah, DXY, I'm anticipating there for the price action and continue its way to the downside. It can go a little bit higher, but we have to ignore it. We have to still watch it for the sell. When we will be buying it, if it goes up, correct over there, then we are the buyers, okay? But that will be the whole next week if this is going to be a buy, okay? This buy should be just ignored simply. Okay, sell is what you can go for. Really, you can go for the sell if there will be reactions. Okay, when are you updating the exact sheet with the monthly ROI? When are you updating the exact sheet with the monthly ROI? No, you update. You don't need to update it every time, because if you are investing for the longer term, you can update it every 6 months. Okay, it depends. Are you investing for the longer term or you're investing it for the shorter term? Shorter term needs to be updated more frequently. I'm personally investing for the shorter term because I have a disease that I cannot watch chart for long. Okay, I'm getting out based on structure because I have that trading mentality. I'm not so in the investing. I can't watch chart going into the correction and eating up my money. That's my problem, and based on that, that's the reason why I can't go for the investing. I'm just then trading for the shorter term periods. I probably will never be for a long game over there. I really have problem by sitting over there in front of the computer by not watching the chart. So rather medium term or short term. Oh, you think about the trading? Yeah, that's the spreadsheet. I didn't create a video. Yeah, we can update it.
Which one?
Those spreadsheets which I've been sharing a couple of months ago. You know, that spreadsheet where we are training and so on.
Our spreadsheet.
Yeah. I can share with you next time.
Wait, what we share, setups or?
Huh? Yeah, setups. The setups and the account where we've been sharing the spreadsheet. Hey, you love that. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. I got your point. Yeah, me and my wife were discussing which spreadsheet did you mean exactly, because we have a bunch of spreadsheets. Yeah, of course, this is, and as well, yeah, this is the spreadsheet that everyone needs to use. That's the powerful spreadsheet. Vila created this, one of our members created that spreadsheet. It's for the training and to journal your trades. Okay, so guys, let me know, was this webinar helpful to you? Did you learn anything new? I will slowly end the webinar over there. I think it's 1 hour and 40 minutes. It's kind of long. I don't know that anyone would take the time and rewatch it from the start to the end. So
Fuck them. Fuck them.
fuck them if they're lazy, yeah. Okay, so was it helpful? Let me know. Yeah, I will try to make a timestamps in the video. I will do that. That's gonna be the there's gonna be better review on the video, on the recordings. Thank you very much for reminding me. I almost forget for the timestamps. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm glad when I see that people appreciate this kind of the webinars. And hope that you understand anything and hope that you learn something new over there. I'm really thrilled when I see that you guys are learning, that you are upgrading your knowledge and that you're interested and so on. And of course I'm glad if you want more to join our academy, where I will be bothering you to push you to become a successful trader. I really love when I see that people have a breakthrough from not making any money to start withdrawing some money and then to withdrawing money every 30 days, so that they create an income that they can rely on. That's really something I really love to see, and this is where I will push every trader. Every trader needs to make withdrawal every 30 days so you can pay your bills. Okay, this is the point of trading. You have to pay yourself every month, from month to month. Okay, you need to have the income that you can rely on. This is what trading is all about. Otherwise, it's really not worth of trading. Thank you very much, Nedroko. Show up in the general chat. Don't be quiet. Send me the private message, Nedroko, to update me how it's going. Where is your trading? How is your trading going? What you're doing? Let me know. Give me some update. What's going on with you? You haven't been there since a couple of months. Let me know so we can discuss about a little bit. Okay, so I will end the webinar over there. Thank you guys for being there. Please share the link with others. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, and see you next time. Take care, bye bye.
Bye.